I've done the 3x3 mod and throw in a JD Jetkit, but I've also done a K&N filter as well, so you got to kind of throw that into the mix. So this is the first time I've ridden it. Oh, not really, I had to go for a test ride to make sure I did it all right. It has a little bit of a bog, but I reckon I can tune that out with a fuel screw. But this is the first ride since I did it. I did it all myself, so be interesting to see how it goes. We're out here today at the wheelie spot. It's a pretty nice day today. It's actually really warm. It comes up a lot easier now. Like, it comes up so much fucking easier. Before you'd have to pull it and all this kind of crap. Now I still do that to get it up faster, but definitely a lot better. I find I can bring it up to balance point a lot quicker and easier now. Fuck, I wonder if I can pull third. So that was third gear. Goes a bit better now. It's had all that crap done to it. I also put a Brembo master cylinder on because my other one died, the stock Nissan one died. I ordered all rebuild kit for it, pads and everything. And it turns out the master cylinder was scored. So it went in the bin. It's a very, very big noticeable increase in power. Like before to get the bike up in second, it was a fucking struggle. Now I can just get this bike up with ease. Probably do high chairs too, okay? That's sketchy as fuck. I haven't got all the bolts in my fucking plastic, so as soon as I go to do that and get stuck, I'm going to reach for the brake, I'm going to die. So this is third gear, okay. Let's see what it accelerates like. What is that? Now that's the turbo that the GTR fanboys want. So yeah, JD Jetkit, pretty big plus. I probably didn't make much sense this video, so K&N filter, also a plus. And just yeah, clean your carbs guys, it makes a difference. So thanks for watching.